Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rollover. So it's a two-step process. The first step is to contact your current institution and have them send us either a check, ACH, or wire. And if they are sending an ACH or wire, what you want to do is you want to provide them our delivery instructions. And to get those instructions, you'll just log on and then look for this quick links box right here in the bottom right corner. You'll see delivery instructions. And from here, you can go ahead and download it here. You can print it out. It's up to you. And then you'll just send them these instructions. So that's step one of the process. Now we're going to move on to step two. So you want to go back to your online portal. Now we're going to go ahead and submit a rollover request. So to do that, you want to just look in the quick links box again and then click Fund Account. And then from here, you want to select your account. Now, before we continue, I just wanted to just add some clarification between a transfer and a rollover. A transfer is movement of funds or assets from like accounts. So traditional IRA to another traditional IRA, or Roth to a Roth, 401k to a 401k. If you want to move funds from, let's say, a 401k to a traditional IRA or vice versa, then you want to do a rollover. So that's what we're going to do today. So you want to go ahead and select this. Scroll down, click Next. Rollover type, either indirect or direct. Direct just means the funds are coming directly from the other institution to Entrust. If it's indirect, that means that they send you the funds or they send you the check first and then you send it to us. So let's just go ahead and do indirect. If you do a direct rollover, most of the time they will ask for a letter of acceptance. And that's just a basic term, in the custodian and institution industry. And we can definitely provide a letter of acceptance. You would just have to either, give us a call or you can send us an email requesting that. And we could provide that. But before we provide that, we would actually require an account statement from the other institution, just basically proving that you truly do have an account there and you do have funds or assets. Once we have that, then we'll go ahead and generate that and we can send it to them. But for now, let's just go ahead and select indirect. We're going to go ahead and enter the other custodian or institution name. Contact person name, you can leave that blank. Phone number, you can just enter the normal 800 number. Okay, now if you're not rolling over cash and you're rolling over assets, then you want to select this box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked and just enter the amount of cash you are going to roll over. This is how the funds are being sent to us, ACH, check, or wire. In-kind asset rollover, that means if you're rolling over assets that are not liquid, then you want to go ahead and leave this unchecked. But if you are not rolling over assets, then you want to check it. So unchecked if you are rolling over assets, and then you would just, of course, add the asset here by clicking this button. And if you're not rolling over assets, check it. Then click Next. Now we are going to go ahead and ask for an account statement from the other institution, just again, proving that you truly do have an account over there. So we're going to go ahead and upload that. And once you have the green bar here with the green check mark, then you can go ahead and click Next. And on this page, you just want to go ahead and read the disclosure, check the box, click Submit. And you have submitted a rollover request. So once we receive the funds, we'll go ahead and tie those funds with this rollover request, and deposit them. I hope this helps. Thank you.